learned about animal yoga through a friend, and I live in Denmark, and that's where she lives too. And she was going to visit this place here in March, and she invited me. So I knew nothing about animal yoga before then. Actually, I haven't practiced yoga at all. Or so I thought. I have been doing some exercises that is actually yoga. The thing is that I've also got a condition with my lungs, and I thought, well, that might be very good for me because I know that yoga works a lot with respiration. And I can certainly feel the difference actually only after 3 days, that I've got room for much more air. And I'm still having difficulty learning the different movements, but I think it's yoga is a very fine thing for me because of that condition. And I also think that going to animal yoga was the right place because I tend to keep on going if nobody stops me. So, and they're very good saying, no, don't do that, that's too much. Careful, easy. And I do hurt some places. And then I stopped breathing, and Rajib was there all the time. Breathe, breathe. They were very good at that. So I can only recommend this place for beginners. It's very good. Yeah.